this is Canon's production control system, PPFM, and we make like this, photo books. Normally we have to set 4 devices for cover printers and body printers and binding machine and trimming machine for each other. But this system to receive the order information from MIS that automatically generate the JDF and in position data and set 4 devices automatically and like this cover, body, binding, trimmings, and we can get the PDF from this UI like this. And we also generate the barcode and QR code for Horizon machines that select the 4 jobs and push the print button. Then these devices start running. So the system sends the JDF and PDF data to this printer and automatically start cleaning. And this is that job. We can see the preview, and this is the schedule. And after 8 minutes, it will finish.
Here's the book block printed by the Canon press and then loaded on a HOF 400. Now press the start button. Okay, you see this fed by the HOF 400 and accumulated on an AC in the 400. And then they gathered at a jogger. So once the book block is collected at the jogger station, rubber arm, pick up the book block and then feed into the carriage clamp of the binder. So book block is merged with the covers and then they deliver on a conveyor. And then while book block is fed, barcode on a book block and the cover is matched for the perfection. And then the book block is transported into the HT 300, our new trimmer, and then 3 sides of the foredge and then top and tail are trimmed. So once the book block is trimmed, it's delivered to the delivery conveyor to complete the book. We put the robotic technology onto our perfect binding solution because currently, labor is an issue. So to reduce the labor, the robot is always the one solution for it. So we put that technology into the binder, and then we want to hear, customers' opinion, what they are thinking about, and then we want to grow this market more. This would be a good, testimonial or first time showing this one, and then we can improve this technology, and then maybe we can bring this one from the single clamp binder, and then maybe in the future 4 clamp binder, and in feed we are now using a HOF seat feeder, but we can think about in line with the printers or maybe the Hunkela cut and stack solutions, or so it can be a expanding market, I think. So ICE Compact is actually the connection is behind it. So ICE means the I is the intelligence, and then the C is connected, and then the E is an efficiency. All connected and then make everything efficient, right? So that's the print market is necessary for now.